Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to Saral Japani YouTube channel. This is the playlist for writing practice. Today is the 18th session of our writing practice in which we shall be practicing words that contains ya, you and yo sounds. That is composite sounds created using ya, you and yo. For example, kya, kyu, kyo, sha, shu, sho, cha, chu, cho, nya, new, nyo, Hea Hiu Heo, Rea Riu Reo, Gya Giu Gyo, Ja Ju Jo, Bea Biu Bio, and Pea Piu Peo, and Mea Miu Meow as well. So we will look at words formed using these sounds, and not necessarily all of these will get included in the practice, but the more common ones which are required for the beginners are included. So these green sections indicate what we have practiced so far from the writing point of view. And today, as I just mentioned, we will look at these composite sounds, words starting with these composite sounds. So this is the playlist whose name is Practice Makes Perfect. You can go to the playlist section of this channel and you can watch all the previous 17 practice videos and this 18th video as well. So writing is as important as reading, listening, and speaking. So we don't leave any stone unturned in this channel, and we cover all aspects of this language learning, Japanese language learning. So let's move ahead with today's practice lesson. Composite sounds, word practice, words that begin with these composite sounds. The first word is Q. Ki, U, U, Q. So you can see the U sound is half the size of ki and U. Q means 9. Gyuniku. Gyuniku is beef. So again, just watch, uh, focus on this U sound, which is half the sound, half the size of other characters. The third word is gyunyu. Gyunyu, which is milk. Then comes the yo sound, kyo. Kyo means today. Look at the half size of the yo sound. Then we have kyoshitsu. Kyoshitsu. Kyoshitsu means classroom. The next word is kyodai. 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 Kyodai is siblings, that is brothers and sisters. It can be any sibling. Kyodai. Then we have kyonen. Kyonen is last year. So observe here, there is no additional u sound in kyonen. It's just kyonen. It's not kyonen. It's kyonen. Last year. Then we have ja. So G plus ya, it is ja, and it is ja, an extended sound. Ja and ja. Ja means well, and ja means well then. The next word is jashin. Jashin. Jashin means photograph. Then we have another common word, Jew. Jew. So it is not called Jew. It is not pronounced as Jew, but Jew. Ja, ji, ja, ju, jo. So it is Jew. 10. The number 10. Then we have Jugo. Jugyo. Jugyo, which is lesson or classwork. Sorry about this error. It's Jugyo. Jugyo is lesson or classwork. Then we have homework, which is Shukudai. Shukudai. Then we have Jozu. Jozu, which is skill. Then we have Jobu. Jobu means strong or solid. Jobu is strong or solid. Next is Shoyu. Shoyu is soya sauce. Shoyu. Then we have Shokudo. Shokudo is cafeteria or dining hall. Shokudo. Then we have Chairo. Chairo, which is brown color. Iro means color, you all know. So Chairo is brown color. Next is Chawan. Chawan means a tea bowl. Chawan, tea bowl. The next word is Chodo. 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 So Chodo means just right or exactly. Just right exactly. So some exact amount. Chodo. So after Chodo we have Chotto. Chotto matte kudasai, you all know. Chotto matte kudasai is an expression. Just a minute, please, or just a moment, please. So that chotto is this one, which means a little. Then comes composite sounds with he. It's hyaku. He, ya, ku. It's hyaku. That is 100. Hyaku, 100. Then we have byoing. Byoing is hospital. B, half yo, u, e, n. Byoing, hospital. Then we have byoki. Byoki is disease or illness. Disease or illness. Then we have ryugakusei. Ryugakusei. Ryugakusei means overseas student or an international student. Ryugakusei. Ryugakusei, overseas student or international student. Then we have Ryoshin. Ryoshin means parents, both parents, father and mother. So Ryoshin. Next word is Ryori. This is another common word which means cooking or cuisine. Ryori, cooking or cuisine. Then we have Ryoko. Ryoko. Ryoko, which is travel or a trip. And the final word is a long one, which is Ryoshusho. Ryoshusho. Ryoshusho, which means a receipt. A receipt. Ryoshusho. This is a very, very common word in Japan, which means receipt. Ryoshusho. So that's it, friends. We have practiced 28 words which begin with these composite sounds. Kya, kyu, kyo, sha, shu, sho, cha, chu, cho, nya, nyu, nyo, hya, hyu, hyo, rea, ryu, ryo, gya, gyu, gyo, ja, ju, jo, bya, byu, byo, and pya, pyu, pyo. So we could not include all these sounds, and whatever is required for the beginner level corresponding to JLPT N5 and some of N4. So we try to include those words as a beginner, and that's it. So hope This practice session has been helpful, so you can also practice in your notebook, and also you can enrich your vocabulary with the help of these words that you have just practiced, or maybe you have heard some of these words for the first time, so you can add them to the list of your vocabulary notebook. So with that, we have covered now all the sounds of hiragana. So the 18 videos we have covered in this playlist, and all these sounds have been covered now. So in the next writing practice video, we shall practice some very important katakana words from the JLPT N5 syllabus. So next video will be equally important. So do stay tuned for the next writing video practice, which will feature N5 katakana vocabulary. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video, and do practice writing of Japanese in your notebook. Till we meet again, arigato gozaimasu, matai masho.